There we go. Great nudge. Taken by Jai Tamati. Great raking punt down there, right across, or just fields it, throws it inside to Liam.
Ia mātou, nō reira, ki te pūtaki o Tararua pai maunga, ki te awa o Manawatu, ki te rohi, ki te mana, ki te tūranga o rangitāne, ki tēnei whenua mā tauranga o te kura tamatāne o Papaioea, ki tēnei tūranga taiohi, o heka, te tero. Kei tō matere, o kāra, we tana whiu ki tōna hoa, o kāra kua taka.
See what they do this time, and yeah, well, it was a throw to Ollie, but it didn't quite go straight. But Rotorua looking to counter-attack here, 15. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong. I'm looking at the second 15 team sheet. Oh my goodness, how good is he? Wonderful run there by Wiremu Brayley again on that right-hand wing. He's been threatening all day long. Is it more toe than a Roman sandal? And then we've got 15, Maloney Kumavavi. Rotorua still attacking here just inside the red zone here. Inside the 22, a pass with boys side, number 3. Leo. Oh, no. We've got the mother of the wrong name. McBooth. Looking to recycle there, Calum Gallery out to the left-hand, Tane Harvey, a little wee chip kick through there. Great pass, almost. Looks at this boy. Here we go, recycling back to Gallery. Out to Liam O'Connor. Massive, some big passes out there, missed passes. Thomason Park looking to counter-attack here. Great ball out there. Absolutely, Nehemiah Sewer. Great interchange there with Palazzo.
Through the middle there. They set again. There's O'Connor. He beats one man through another. They rip him down. Advanced.
Engari nainei, kua kaha rātou kei te whawhai rātou mo te paoro. Ka pai tēnā.
Another advantage there, Jimmy. And there we go. Liam O'Connor, wipers kick out to Nehemiah Sewer on the left-hand wing. He's going to have a good crack here, and jeepers, he got close. But no, just bundled out to touch. Ground didn't release. So, exit there from Jai. Rotorua halfback, Liam O'Connor taking it up there, running up through. Geez, he's played strongly today, Liam O'Connor. I've been impressed with his silky skills, and certainly not afraid to have a go too with running. Here go, giving it some air out the back there. Eli Ehrenrein up the back, going down through the middle. GPC's made a lot of progress there. Out it goes right across, running into traffic there. First receiver, out at Ollie Barham, looking left here. Missed pass to Nehemiah Sewer. He's running strongly. He's looked threatening on that left wing.
Ki tōku nei whakaro. Oh, kua whiwhi e rātou.
Odrin. Going to Barham. He's been used a lot today. Here comes Elston Park again. Odering. They've been teaming up well, those two. So here they come again for another wave. Wallace has been strong as well. These same names keep coming up, and that's a great try. That's Barham.
And so well-matched teams. He rawinga pukinga o ngā kai tākaro. The skill level of all the players is very good. Ka ki te au I a rātou I a Rotorua I pana. Kua whiu atu. Ko wai, kua tata te tangata ki ko Rod. Do you want to call this part?
Yeah, great attacking opportunity right midfield here. Threatening the line here, Rotorua. And a try. Pito.
Tom Elston Park clears this up. Good, strong run. What a great run. He's over the halfway now. Crowd cheers. Hits it up. Direct, straight up to the 22.
Ka tū tonu waia, kua rere rātou. Ko puta mai Rotorua kei a rātou te paoro.
Jacob Booth carts it up. Cooper Fennell, the 15. Well, there we go, a great enterprising run there, 18 to Vita. Going open side here, Liam O'Connor That's a big pass. Great set of hands there from Ollie Barham. Picked it up around his laces, boot laces. So Palmerston Boys High looking to enjoy some consecutive phases of play here in the right end of the park. Right across, all chip and chase. Jeepers, that's a nice piece of taken by the smallest fella on the field. No, Geordie Viljoen. Great take there. Rolling maul. He's got to go to ground, though, if they hold him up. Here we go. It goes to ground. Out there. Swings out to the right-hand side. Here we go. And try. Piddle! Woo!
Looks like the backs are lined up ready. There's a few forwards out there, a few hard runners. Barham again. Elston Park. Out they come again. Out to this winger again, this right winger. Mativa. Whenua.
Oh, ko tērā tama, kua whiwhiaia mai rano. Anei, kia ora, Rod?
Yeah, kia ora, Debbie. Ollie Barham, he has been a force in that line-out department for Palmerston Boys High today. Here we go. Cooper Fennell looking for some quick pill. Out comes to the chain. Liam Connor midfield. Skip past Tane Harvey. Big gap here. Looking to link up. He's got to find his outsides. But Rotorua, Ollie Barham out there. Takes the ball on the outside there. Looking to recycle. Fennell to 16 for Van Printer. Looking at a great strong run there. Here we go. Can the locals close this game out with another Piro? Here we go. Out it comes to the back line. Right across all the midfield. Midfield skip past to Geordie Viljoen. The skip out to 19. He's looking strong and a pass. Didn't quite go again, but didn't go forward. Still in possession here. Oh my goodness gracious. And a try. Great try. Piro! Wonderful opportunity here. Attacking line out. 10 metres out from the try line. Good rolling more, good take, good rolling more, still in possession, trudging forward. This is going to take all of Palmy Boys D. Oh, the ref's got his arm out for advantage. Rolling around, and he has awarded the try. Piro!
Vai kari I korero tahi tātou, ko waika toa, ko waika wini.
Cooper Fennell, what is he? Is he 40 kgs, ringing wet? Jeepers, he's got a heart the size of a lion. Here he goes, out it comes to the visitors. Out to the pass, they've been looking to make the tackles here. Okay. Geordie Viljoen, good stuff. Went in there, made sure of the tackle. The visitors giving it some air. Out it goes through the chain. Discipline will be a key here for the locals, not to give away any penalties. Great tackle there by Cooper Fennell. What a wonderful tackle there by the young fella. Look at him go. Ryan Elliott for the visitors. Out it goes to number 4. He's been good all day. Jacob Gilbert, what a workhorse. He's been Jay Tamati. Out to 12 there. Malachi Karma. Oh, good run there by 20. Heiko McGarvey, is it? Heiko McGarvey, great run there. Ryan Elliott shifts it out to the back line. Jay Tamati, skip past to 15. Maloney, Funawawe, great ball to Marve. Jeepers, they're showing some endeavour here. They're certainly not giving up, and good on them, Rotorua. Here we go, still hot on attack. Karma for the visitors. Inside the boys' side 22, hot on attack. Geez, they had about 10 phases of play here. Jay Tamati, out it goes there. 13, Josiah Graham. He's been into everything all day. Great account, great turnover. Who's got the turnover? Holy heck, 15, right across, will take a bow. He displayed the skills of a world-class Lucy there, and he's 15, for goodness sakes. But there we go, the Croswell, great pedigree. You talk about, families with, great rugby DNA. Look no further. Ka pai, Debbie. Woohoo!
Ngā mihi James, ngā mihi Rod, kia kōrua. O tira ko oti pai tēnei kēmu I tēnei rā ki te kura tamatani o Papaioea, ngā tino mihi ki ngā kai tākaro.
Māori active.